Hi, my name is Dorothy. This is Hacker Hint. Today we're going to make rhubarb crisp, a favorite Midwestern recipe. So let's get started.
The first thing that we'll need to do is to harvest some rhubarb. So if you have rhubarb in your backyard, you pick some good stalks and you twist and pull them. It will take about 8 to 10 stalks to make 3 cups of chopped rhubarb. So that's the first step. You can get rhubarb at farmers market or at co-ops, but it's usually not in the grocery stores very often. So this is the first step in our recipe.
And the berries and the rhubarb. And so we're going to mix that all together. Next, we're going to put this into a baking dish. And now we're going to make the topping that goes on the top of this. 1 cup quick oats, a 1/3 of a cup of flour, and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. You want to get this all incorporated, and we can't forget the cinnamon. And then this is a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Okay, so now we're going to put the topping on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I have a little hint for you. This recipe was found on the backs of the Quaker Oat box. So if you are looking for a good recipe, always check out the back of the product packages, and they could have a really great recipe. So thank you for watching.